Zebra Technologies is in the automatic identification and data capture (AIDC) business, offering products, services, and software solutions to help customers digitize and automate their workflows for improved productivity, operational efficiency, regulatory compliance, and better customer experiences. Providing mobile computers, barcode scanners, RFID readers, printers, real-time location systems, accessories, supplies, and related software applications. They provide machine vision and robotics automation solutions, as well as maintenance, technical support, repair, managed and professional services, and cloud-based software subscriptions. The company operates in 114 facilities, with approximately 9,900 employees worldwide, serving end users in various industries such as retail, e-commerce, healthcare, public sector, manufacturing, transportation, and logistics. They continue to advance their enterprise asset intelligence vision by transforming activities through the use of IoT, cloud-based data analytics, automation, mobility, computer vision, artificial intelligence, and machine learning for more effective optimization of workflows. Acquisitions have been made in the field of advanced machine vision components and software, such as Matrox for $881 million and Photonio, with a purchase price of approximately 60 million euros. These acquisitions have expanded their offerings in machine vision products and software solutions. Zebra Technologies operations consist of two reportable segments: AIT, which includes barcode and card printing, RFID, RTLS offerings, supplies, and services; EVM, which includes mobile computing, data capture, fixed industrial scanning, machine vision, services, and workflow optimization solutions. Barcode and card printing solutions consist of thermal printers that produce high-quality labels, wristbands, tickets, receipts, and plastic cards on demand. Their printers use thermal printing technology and integrate company-designed mechanisms, electrical systems, and firmware for wireless communications. They also provide dye sublimation thermal card printers for secure personal identification, access control, and financial transactions. In addition, they offer RFID printers that encode data into passive RFID transponders embedded in a label or card. Along with printing solutions, the company provides supplies such as thermal labels, wristbands, receipts, ribbons, plastic cards, and RFID tags. They also offer maintenance, technical support, repair services, managed and professional services, and cloud-based subscriptions to help customers manage their devices and software applications. Enterprise visibility and mobility involves mobile computing devices with specialized designs for various industries' needs like retail, logistics, healthcare, and manufacturing. The company also provides barcode scanners, industrial machine vision cameras, and fixed scanning solutions. Zebra enjoys the benefit of high barriers to entry due to long-standing relationships with customers and channel partners, resulting in high switching costs. The company explains its innovation and deep industry-specific expertise, offering highly diversified business mix across segments, markets, geographies, and customers, help further maintain their position. Their global reach and strong brand reputation allow them to serve customers worldwide as a trusted partner. Additionally, their scale advantages enable them to compete successfully, achieve economies of scale, and develop industry-leading offerings. The company plans to grow its core business by leveraging market leadership position and innovation. This includes focusing on technology transitions such as Wi-Fi 7, 5G, and Android operating system in mobile computing, as well as data capture technologies involving 2D and 3D imaging and RFID. They plan to capitalize on IoT, cloud computing, automation, mobility, and artificial intelligence trends by providing end-to-end solutions that integrate smart connected sensors and devices with cloud-based software. Plans also look towards expanding into adjacent market segments for growth while maintaining a strong balance sheet and improving profitability and cash flow generation through operational execution and continuous business process improvement. Competition in the AIDC industry is driven by factors like IoT, cloud computing, automation, and mobility. Key competitive factors include the breadth and quality of offerings, pricing, design, performance, durability, geographic availability, warranty coverage, relationships with customers and channel partners, company reputation, and brand recognition. Some key competitors are Avery Dennison, Datalogic, Honeywell, Sato, Toshiba Tech, and Urovo. Zebra sells its AIDC offerings through distributors, value-added resellers, VARs, independent software vendors, ISVs, direct marketers, OEMs, and a direct sales force. Distributors help increase global distribution by purchasing products and selling to VARs, ISVs, and others. These channels provide customized solutions for various industries, making the company's products accessible worldwide. Seasonality can impact sales based on region and industry served. The marketing function collaborates with sales, customer success, and product management to promote offerings addressing customers' needs while focusing on strategic practices such as pricing, enterprise analytics, customer experience, market sizing, brand strategy, and channel strategy. When talking about regulatory matters, it's important to remember AIDC involves using radio frequencies, so the business is subject to wireless regulatory matters, as the use of wireless communication systems requires radio spectrum regulated by government agencies worldwide. In the US, the FCC and NTIA regulate commercial and federal entities' spectrum usage, respectively. The availability of additional radio spectrum could create new business opportunities, while loss of available spectrum may result in lost opportunities or regulatory changes affecting current spectrum bands. ZBRA must also manage increased business complexity from recent expansions through acquisitions and organic growth. Factors that could present challenges include managing distribution channels, supply chain, labor costs, logistical issues, international operations, cybersecurity threats, stakeholder interests, and the integration of acquired businesses. Additionally, they rely on third-party service providers for certain aspects of their IT operations, including cloud computing services, software solutions, and data analytics tools. Any disruption or failure in the services provided by these third parties could result in significant disruptions to their operations. In order to mitigate some of these risks, they've implemented various risk management strategies and protocols, such as regular backups, data encryption, access control measures, cybersecurity training for employees, and periodic testing and audits. For more on ZBRA technologies and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.